Hey everybody, El Burrow here, and we're at the 76 Buick Skyhawk again. Been working on the wiring underneath the harness here with the stereo system and all the underglow wiring. And it's just a cavalcade of comedy down here. I'm going to show you here in just a second just what I'm working with. Here's what we got. So, I managed to remove a ton of the wiring underneath here. There's still a bit of a rat's nest, but I just pulled off the stereo system here, which is a Clarion, and it was only being held in by these two screws here, one there, through the dashboard panel, and they were only being held on by a tab here. This tab was held up, and then this tab right here as well. That is it. That's all that was holding this thing in. So I took a screwdriver here, pressed down, and another screwdriver, and pressed against this piece right here, and the whole thing just popped right off. Yeah. So next step is to unhook that, and then take all that wiring out as best as I can. I am not an electrician, and this is the first car I've ever worked on for wiring or anything like that, so I am complete amateur for this. But I'm gonna still take a crack at it. He even blacked out part of the stereo system. So yeah, that's all that held the thing in. Some BS. Alright, catch you next time.